Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap News. It's Monday, December the 9th, 2013. I've done my morning homework. I've gone through a bunch of press releases and found some good ones to talk about. I'll give you my insights into what stood out for me from these press releases, and also, well, the ultimate goal is to help you find good companies to do your homework on and some investment winners in there. I'm Alan Barry Laboucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. And I have 4 press releases today, so we'll get right to it. The first one is from LX Ventures. LX Ventures announced that Hootsuite CEO Ryan Holmes has joined the board of advisors for LX Ventures. This is a pretty significant development for this small tech startup. It wasn't too long ago that Hootsuite was a small tech startup, and they've grown quite dramatically. They recently raised $165 million in a Series B financing. So they've got, that's definitely a good advisor. Now, sometimes it's hard to tell how much he will be involved with advising the company. Sometimes these are more of a sort of a marquee type placement, but we shall see. It's an interesting development, that's for sure. LX Ventures is down 1 cent today to 62 cents, and the stock until the late October was a very sleepy sort of sideways action, not very active trading kind of stock, and then in late October really started to move up quite dramatically. Had a move from 15 cents to 95 cents. It's given back some of those gains, which is quite normal. Yeah, it's hard to make a call, after such a big move up, and then some. I'd like to see it sort of bottom or go sideways for a bit, and then we can get a handle on, where it'll go from there. But an interesting development for LX Ventures, and their stock symbol is LXV. The next company is Guyana Goldfields. Guyana Goldfields announced that they approved a $238 million expenditure on their Aurora Gold project, and they've selected their EPC contractor and for confirmed capital cost and schedule. I'm not sure how much this company has in the treasury, and how, if they need to raise this money, or it looks like they've got a debt facility in the amount of $165 million, which through the International Finance Corp of World Bank Group. So, there you go. You've got the company's cash balance as of October 31st is $109 million. So they definitely have that kind of money and access to capital. This project is in Guyana, South America. There's lots of gold down there in Guyana, and we'll see what happens with this company. I'm definitely going to keep a close eye on it. The stock's up 8 cents today to $1.68. Just taking a look at their stock chart now. They started from in July. They had a very big move that took for 3-4 months from the lows at about $1.20, took it all the way up to $2.80. Lately, it's been giving back some of those gains. It does look like it might be bottoming out here, and then can make another move up. I like that it hasn't gone back down to those lows of the summertime. Interesting company, interesting developments. Good to be doing some more homework on that company. Their stock symbol is GUY, and they trade on Toronto. The next company is Platinum Group Metals. Platinum Group Metals announced drill results. They intersected 53.22 meters, grading 5.26 grams per ton platinum, palladium, and gold. This is an 87% ownership project. in their Waterberg extension. They're very good drill results there. This company has caught my attention a few times with their drill results. Stock's down 2 cents today to $1.24. Just looking at the stock trend, been on a very bullish trend, classic sort of bullish trend since the summertime lows back in June and July. Has had a very solid move up to $1.48 from around 88 cents or 88.90 cents on the low there. Recently has given back some of those gains on kind of a spiky drop. That looks to be a little bit oversold here on a short-term basis. So and it's getting support at an interesting sort of a spot. So I'm interested to take a closer look at PTM. I think it could have some good move on it. Stock symbol PTM, and they trade on Toronto. And the final company today is Avino Silver. Avino Silver announced that they produced 87,910 ounces of silver equivalent in November of 2013. They have a bunch of details there about that production numbers. You can find that in the press release on the company's website. The stock is up 4 cents today to $1.24. They've had again another one that bottomed in June, July, had a move from 78 cents all the way up to about $1.68. Gave back some of those gains, rallied off of that low. They were creating higher highs or higher lows here, and they're converging. They have a converging moving averages, which is very interesting to me. I think they're at an inflection point and ready to move to the upside. Their stock symbol is ASM, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. That's all the press releases for today. As usual, I go through those Monday through Thursday, and on Friday we do our best of the best in weekly news. Having some very good interest in our last best of the best in weekly news show. You can find that on AGORACOM at blog.agoracom.com. You can also find that on my website at allenberryreports.com. On that note, before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors before making any investment decisions. Again, join us for the rest of the week until Thursday for our daily shows, and then at the end of the week, our best of the best in weekly news show. On that note, have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.